The last letter. It was a rainy evening. Sarah returned home from work, tired, emotionally drained. She opened her father's study drawer. There it was. An old envelope with her name. To Sarah, open when you miss me. Her hands trembled. Her eyes filled with tears. She opened the letter slowly and began to read. My dearest Sarah, if you are reading this, I am probably gone. But I need you to know something. You were the light of my life. Every moment with you was a blessing. You gave me strength. Your smile, your dreams, your love. Even in pain, I held on because of you. Life gets hard, I know. But you are stronger than you think. Don't give up. Ever. Make mistakes. Take risks. Forgive. Especially yourself. And when you feel lost, look up at the stars. I'll be there. Watching. Proud of you. Loving you. Always. With all my love. Dad. Sarah held the letter to her heart. Like it was her father's last hug. She smiled through the tears. Because love never dies. It just finds new ways to stay.